Given that log y equals log 10 n power k, make k the subject. We are given log y equals log 10 power 10n power k. Given log y equals log 10n power k, we can apply log ab equals log a plus log b and log a power b equals b log a. We can express this as a log y equals log 10 plus log n power k log y equals log 10 plus k log n. This is giving us log 10 plus k log n equals log y. We can say that k log n equals log y minus log 10. Dividing both sides by log n, we have k log n over log n equals log y minus log 10 all over log n. Log n cancels log n here. K equals log y minus log 10 all over log n. Thank you for watching.